How to capture Google Map image. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can capture Google Maps image. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type Google Maps. Then press enter to browse it. Here click on the first link that appears and make sure you are logged into your Google account. Once you reach this page, here search for the destination you are looking for. Once you find it, now to capture the image, you can either use the snipping tool of your device, crop the area you want to capture and click on this save and save it. Another option is to take the screenshot, which you can do by pressing Windows key and print screen key from your keyboard. It will capture an image of your map and you can check it in your screenshot. That's how you can capture Google Map image. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.